My name is Ellison. My company is Brockwell Construction Company. I've been working in this field for 31 years now. What inspired me to do it was a family-owned company. I had a big interest in construction. I grew up on a farm, used to manual labor and quite a bit of it. So I lended myself to it. I like to create and learning to do those things. And Brockwell Construction was a great place to be to help and build the company from there. So the most interesting thing about my job is it's never the same every day. I love it for that very reason. It's an outdoor job in what I do, and you have some flexibility in when you do things. And of course, I love meeting new people, seeing new projects, and coming up with new solutions for those people. So my career makes a big difference in the community. We're all going to need things, build things, solutions to problems. My company has worked in the roofing industry, bridge building, road enhancements, water and sewer construction. So the more diversified you can be, the more you can see changes in your community and helping those people and seeing those things in operation still today. If you're thinking about starting this career path, I would suggest that you wouldn't have to know yourself. Know that you're driven to search for solutions to things that may seem common to you, but there are always changes, and how you can improve upon those things. You got to be confident in yourself. And to be that way, you have to learn. You have to read, explore, and learn mathematics to get more technical with the construction industry, and have a joy for being outdoors and have the physical ability. The main subject you'd want to focus on in your studies is math. Math is very important. You've got to be able to read and understand things that you're learning and try to grasp concepts that people are trying to get you to do. And the better you know math, and the better you can read and understand what you're reading, the more successful you will be at translating that into a job that you can do and do better. So it's very important that you get those kind of skills. Social skills, those are important too in construction. You're going to be dealing with customers, okay? And when you deal with problems, if you can't speak with the person that you're trying to solve the problem for, you're probably not going to do the job, and you probably won't get the results you want from that customer. So yes, you've got to have social skills and work for many different people. I mean, really, not from just a residential deal. I mean, you'll be working for your local community, and your public utilities, and you know, those people have some big problems sometimes, and you're going to have to be able to work through them. Opportunities in construction are endless. You can start from working on the ground. Say you have a special skill. You know, you like concrete, you like framing, you even like electricity, you know, and wiring houses. Those are all skills, and we need them as a contractor. You're going to use all those fields to study, you know. Even soils, you know soils. Say you're big in electronics and you like to run GPS, ground control units. That's a big and upcoming thing, and you're going to see more of it. AI is coming into construction. You might as well see that happen, you know. So you, as the skilled person, have a fit somewhere in the construction field, somewhere. Even from the development, you know, you're not good. And I say, I'm just good with my hands and I like being here and doing these things. Well, that's great. There's a position for you, okay? There's also, most construction projects come out with a design. So, you know, who's gonna do that? Well, you can be a part of construction because it always starts with the idea, okay? And then there's going to be somebody say, okay, I have this great idea. It looks great, but will it function? Okay, now you get into engineering, okay? So you've got engineers that put in these mechanical systems and how we can make things easier and more affordable. And you, as the construction worker, have to take that information in and apply it to the job. Can you make a difference? Yes, you can make a difference in how you relate to your community. I mean, your job is more than just a job. You want to do it well. And in today's world, when the many jobs I've done, I've had people come to me and say, oh yeah, don't you remember when you did this? Don't you remember that? So do you make a difference in your community? Yeah, you do. And when you do make a difference in your community will come back to you for additional work to do different things. And you know, if your community benefits from what you do. You know, you say, I have a career, well, I don't know how long I work, but I work a long time. But the most exciting thing is you do make a difference in your community. Just as today, when I drive around our community and see people and the things that we've done, and the things that's still there, and the improvements that's been made, you'll be satisfied in knowing that you was able to help your community evolve with better buildings, better construction, better services, and you had a part to do with that. My advice to anyone pursuing construction is know yourself. You got to be confident in yourself, and you got to like to be involved in what you do, whether you manage it or you are actually participating in doing that type of work. If you know yourself well enough that, yeah, I can do that for a lifetime, you know. I like change. I can handle anything that comes down. You know, you got to have that confidence in yourself. And the only way to do that is to be involved in construction activities, be involved in your community. And if it fits, it fits, you know. But if you're interested, there's endless choices. And you just got to know if you're that type of person. And that means you like to be outside, you like change. A lot of big people don't like change. You got to be able to evolve with your field of construction. You do. One thing I want you to remember, what you're seeing here in this wonderful facility that's been made is this was constructed by a construction man. So if you like this facility, then you too can be a part of that. So creativity and assembly, that could be you, you know. So construction is going to be here now and forever. We're always going to make changes, remove old and build new and do bigger and better. So it's always there for you.